Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get started by creating custom components in Next.js. So let's get started. In the last video, we made this application. So we used the layout file to create this coding 1101 over here. And yeah, so we did this and we can navigate. So it's nothing's changed. We added this coding 1101 using the layout file. And yeah, this is what we made in the last video. In this video, we'll be creating a custom component and getting this coding 1101 into a component which we'll then use in the layout file. So yeah, here's the code part. So we can see there in the last video we created layout and I've deleted everything inside the return. So now what I can do is just get the span in my custom component, right? So inside the components folder, I created a new folder called custom, and now I'm going to create a file called logo.js. In there, I'm going to create a React component and I'm going to call this logo. And then what I'm going to do is just come here and just get a span over here. And I'm going to call this coding 101. Now I'm going to close this. I can just get the logo and then the children. I can remove this div over here because this is not necessary anymore. And then I can just import the logo. So I can import the logo, but first let me just get this div. So I'm going to import the logo so we can just and here you can see we get this error because why we not okay. Let me just import this manually. So I'm gonna import this manually because VS Code can't detect it. So import logo from ./custom/logo. Okay, let's see anything's no. So yeah, everything's fine. And now let's check the browser. So this is the browser and everything's working fine. We can see coding 1101 and the rest, and we can click on the links and still it all works. So yeah. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, be sure to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.